Comtech is a company with 60 years of history, proud history in the satellite and space markets in the industry. So every year at Communications that now is Satellite Asia. This year is no exception. We're showcasing our new products and technologies. In 2025, we are proud to present our digital common ground products. This is a family of new, very high-speed products that are basically designed to carry and transport tens of gigabits of data over satellite. It's multi-orbit. It supports geostationary satellites, but also satellites with MEO and LEO orbits. And it's also multi-channel. It's very compact. I would encourage all the listeners to go to the Comtech website and check out the data sheets. Multi-orbit, multi-channel, multi-waveform, which is very important. We have a number of protected waveforms that have this low probability to detect, a low probability to intercept quality. So the kind of things that you don't see in many competing products, we have it. We also have FIPS certified Transect solution, and it's very, very advanced product family, and we're launching it this year. Again, very excited about it, and we won a number of contracts as well, as you can see from the Comtech press releases. The other two more solutions, what we're focusing on here in Singapore, one of them is Elevate 2.0, which we announced early this year in March at the Satellite Show in Washington. And that is also a very versatile, very flexible product, a multi-orbit. It is an end-to-end VSAT system with the bandwidth allocation on demand, a true successor to our current generation, which is Comtech Elevate, and software-defined, and it has this disaggregated architecture, whereby we essentially have very wide-band, low-cost but high-performing hardware installed at the teleports, but the packet processing is centralized. It's 100% in software and can even be cloudified, so to speak. In other words, implemented at a private data center or indeed in the cloud. And last but not least, we have a number of RF products that we're showcasing here in Singapore. So it's multi-band frequency converters, it's our cutting-edge millimeter wave solid-state power amplifiers, and many other things. This region, the thing that is very specific about this region, it's the dynamism of the markets in Asia Pacific. The region is a home to probably more than a half, not probably, but definitely more than a half of world's population, a number of very dynamic economies, and in that sense, the sheer dynamism of what's happening here, the number of projects, just walking around and meeting with some old industry colleagues, old friends on the shop floor, hearing about programs and projects that they're busying themselves with, ranging from incremental innovations to their product lines to startups looking at launching new satellite constellations. That is the main challenge. The challenge is how solutions providers and technology companies like Comtech keep the pace with the market demand. And of course, not necessarily unique to this region, but challenges related to sovereignty, sovereign constellations, nation-side SATs, as some people call those. In the era of global constellations, the nations in the region also want to have their own fully controlled sovereign networks and maybe even sovereign satellite constellations. So that's the second challenge. And then cybersecurity, again, not necessarily very specific to that region, but that permeates different sectors of the economy. So a lot is actually happening outside of the region, but here too, cybersecurity, zero trust framework are part and parcel of what we do in the satellite industry and the telecom industry as a whole. Comtech is a dynamic company with a long history and 60 years of heritage, but with very effective and efficient R&D. So I gave you examples of the new products that we released just this year. Two major steps forward in digital common ground, but also Elevate 2.0, and a number of products as well. So this is the way in which we're addressing the first challenge. And of course, we do it, some of it ourselves, other things we do in partnerships. And we have some key partnerships here in this region, I have to say. Then the second thing, cybersecurity is taken very, very seriously at Comtech. So we are, our solutions, our products are cutting edge in that regard, whether it's to do with encryption, transec, whether it's to do with key management and related to encryption. We're definitely at the forefront there. And then the challenge that we were talking about related to multi-orbit and sovereign constellations. So our solutions are uniquely scalable, and building scalable networks. You can start with a small network with a very scalable, low-cost gateway, and perhaps even transportable or portable in the limit. This is what we do. In terms of cost performance, our products and technologies are unmatched.